So how low can you go with a gaming PC? Or at least with a regular PC, with any kind of PC that will let you do something that resembles gaming? Well, we said it was 20k for an ultra budget build. And let's see if we can back that up with some gaming. Hey guys, Ash here from C4eTech, and before we begin, card to give away. Hit that bell icon, turn on notifications please. Let's get started. Obviously, this is a super budget build, so if you're expecting high resolutions or frame rates, you're gonna be very, very disappointed. With that said, let's kick this one off with the game everybody is playing, Fortnite. The detail levels were set to optimize defaults and off we went. An average 43 FPS. That's okay, Fortnite remained playable mostly. There was a bit of stutter, especially in crowded areas, but you guys can bump the details down a notch or two for a few more FPS here and there. For 20k, not bad at all. For now, I'm quite happy with the Ryzen 3 APU, the 2200G. Now on to the next game, we have Csgo. We ran into some major bugs. Vega seemed to glitch out or go berserk whenever we tried running Csgo. So we did find a workaround, a solution of sorts, running it in a borderless windowed mode so that it was almost like a full screen experience. Now this wasn't the smoothest experience out there. There was some major FPS stutters here and there. You guys can see the FPS counter and the game, so you can be the judge. What do you think? For the third entry, we have everybody's favorite mobile game, PUBG. Now PUBG on PC is pretty demanding, so these low FPS numbers disappoint you. Well, there's nothing much to do. Of course, some of you guys are thinking, Ash, why don't you overclock this? Well, two reasons. The PSU that comes with this cheap case we used doesn't really have an auxiliary 4-pin, so there is no overclocking here. And then we did buy a very budget board, the Gigabyte GA320M HD2, because of price constraints, and it is an awesome board for what it costs, but like any other A320 board, it isn't really the best for overclocking. Okay, now let's wrap this one up with some AAA gaming. Not from 2018, because be realistic, it's a 20k build, you can't go 2018, but you don't have to go the last century. We went 2013 with Tomb Raider. We benchmarked it twice, once with the settings at medium and again with them at high. Considering that this is a single player game, you can play through this at medium graphics if you turn down everything to low, and you might even have a consistent 30 plus FPS on older AAA titles. As far as newer AAA games go, well, this rig with 8 gigs of RAM and a stock 2200G would struggle to play most titles even at the lowest settings. However, if you do end up adding a decent graphics card like a 1050 Ti, then you can immediately see the 4-core Ryzen flex its muscles. And in fact, that is one of the main reasons we chose the components for this build, because realistically you can't get great gaming performance at 20k. But the reason we did this is because this helps you get started. You can get some titles, you can keep playing for a while. You can play some games from a while back and some esports titles, as you could see. And again, this is the reason why I went in with one stick of RAM, one 8 gig stick, instead of going with two 4 gig sticks, despite dual channel working better with Ryzen. The reason is you can add another stick, expand in the future, and again, the 1050 Ti is something you can get for the future. And that is how we got started with this build, and I feel it delivered. It got us what we wanted. So what do you guys think about this ultra budget PC build? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and let me know if you want to see more builds. What is the budget you want us to do next? Share this video with friends and family if you can. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on how you felt about this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you want to see more of this kind of content. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. This is C4eTech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.